These bird scare discs were sent to me by the company to check out, test out, do an honest review so that you can make an informed purchase decision. So let's get started. And I'm going to show you how to put these together. So this is what it ultimately will look like. To start, to make one, you need one hook, one latch with the 3 clips here, and then you need 3 discs. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, the first thing you want to do before anything, and I learned this the hard way, was you want to take off the peel on both sides. There's a clear one and a blue one. If you just kind of rub it like this and pull it back, then it'll eventually come off. So here's your first one. So you want to take these out and then separate this like this and just put it right through one of the holes. Slide it right on. Okay, so I have the other ones peeled, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach my second one. It's just like if you're doing like a key ring. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is do one here. So you have 3 rings, 3 discs. Now you're gonna attach this ring to this ring. Very easy to do. And then latch the bottom hole here right to there. So that is, and again, you could even put more on there. So I have 2 of them. This is what they look like. And they are very, very reflective.